Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. White. I'm here for your read aloud for today. I chose a book that we could learn a little bit from. It's a non-fiction book. So right now I want you to think about what is a non-fiction book. And I want you to turn to the person near you. Maybe it's your mom, your dad, your Grammy, your sister, your brother, and tell them, what is a non-fiction book? I'll give you a hint. This is the book that we're going to read. It's called Earth, My First 4.54 Billion Years. A nonfiction book is a true story, and it's going to give us facts. This one has a little bit of fiction mixed in with it too, because the Earth is going to tell the story. And can the Earth really talk? No, but it's a kind of a fun book that we can learn a little bit from. So the author is Stacy McAnulty. So what does she do? What does the author do? Writes the words. Good. And it's illustrated by David Litchfield. What does the illustrator do? Draws the pictures. And the pictures are pretty cool. Sorry about the glare. I had to sneak up to my bedroom to find a quiet place. So, ooh, look at that. This book was born in 2017. Let's see if we can count up to 2020. Let's see. So we have 17, 18, 19, 20. It's 3 years old. Earth, my first 4.54 billion years. Do you remember what this page is called? The title page. Good. Hi. Get the picture in here. There we go. Hi. My name is Earth. Some people call me Gaia. The world. The blue marble. Or the third planet from the sun. You can call me Planet Awesome. My family is really big. Happy holidays! Earth. Let's see. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I have 7 siblings. What's a sibling? A sibling is a brother or a sister. I have 7 siblings in my solar system. I'm closest to Venus and Mars. Some used to say I have 8 siblings, but Pluto is more like the family pet. Pluto now is called a dwarf planet. And then there are my cousins. My Milky Way family has billions of planets. Told you, big family. Did you see how I changed my voice when I said the word big? Look how big those letters are. That tells me to read it differently. My favorite things to do are spinning. It takes me a whole day to go around once. And circling the sun. That takes me an entire year. Do you know how many days are in a year? There's a lot. 365 days it takes the Earth to go around the sun. My best friend is the moon. We hang out all the time, even when you can't see her. The moon needs 27 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes, and 12 seconds to go around me. I've timed her. She's working out. I was born 4.5 billion years ago. I don't remember what it was like to be a baby. Who does? But I've been told I was a hot mess. Baby Earth. Oh, look at the color. Explosive, gassy, very cranky. Then I started to cool off and things got wet. Really wet. It rained for thousands of years. I'm not kidding. Thousands. I was soggy and lonely. A few islands popped up in my oceans, but no plants or animals. My islands must have been lonely too. They got together and made bigger islands called continents. I remember and Nuna and the ginormous Pangaea. So Pangaea is what they call when all of the continents of the world were all connected. It was just one big mass of land. Then Pangaea split into 7 separate continents. North America, that's where we live. South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Things are always changing. As I got older, stuff began to grow. Life! Almost half my life, you probably wouldn't even recognize me, though I've always been around. So this is called a timeline. So it starts 4.5 billion years ago, and then it goes all the way to now. So here we have the water. So 2.4 billion years ago, air. If anyone had been alive, they could finally take a breath. So I made a mistake. That is air. 470 million years ago, there were plants. That's right here. Plants that can live on land. And then this yellow line, 400 million years ago, then came bugs. The next one is this red line, 240 million years ago. What's that? That's right, my first dinosaur. Then the blue one, 210 million years ago. Yay for mammals. They're fuzzy and warm. 150 million years ago, birds. Did you know that they are relatives to dinosaurs? 130 million years ago, flowers. I'm a very pretty planet. It's not bragging if it's true. And then, oh, look now, 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens. You humans have big brains and walk on 2 feet. The time of the dinosaurs was one of my favorites. I mean, everyone loves dinosaurs. They lived with me for 175 million years. Until... what happened to the dinosaurs? Asteroid! It's not always easy being Earth. Volcanic eruptions, ice ages, major collisions. But on the inside, I'm the same planet. Awesome. So this is called a cutaway. And in here you can see they've cut away part of the Earth so we can see inside of it. So in the center of the Earth, that's called the inner core. And then this part is the outer core. You have the mantle, and then around the edge is called the crust. Humans have been super fun. No other species has ever been interested in learning about me. Other animals are nice, but they mostly eat and poop and never wonder about my amazing life. See if I can get a close-up of these pictures. Some scientists. They're the whales, just swimming. People in a boat. Oh, what are these people doing? Drawing, painting. But sometimes humans forget to share and play nice and clean up after themselves. Uh-oh. He looks sad. Still, I bet you humans will turn out to do really great things. We love you, Earth. And then at the end, there's some more information about the continents and life. So my video's already 10 minutes long, so I'm not going to read you all of that. But I hope that you enjoyed hearing about the Earth and how long it's been around and some of the things that have happened. If you want to, you could get out your journal, your notebook that you got in your bag yesterday, and you could write something new that you learned about the Earth, or you could write about something that you would like to do to make the Earth a better place. I know that just seeing all of you in class and working hard and being kind to one another makes the Earth a better place. So I posted an activity for you on Seesaw to do with your reading, and I hope to hear from some of you and see some videos and posts later. I miss your faces. Stay healthy.